Solar Tracker. First of all, we are gonna need an Arduino UNO. Then we are gonna need a servo. I'm using a 9-gram plastic gear one. You can use a metal gear too. Then you will need some LDRs, 2 to be precise. Then you need two 10k ohm resistors. Next, you need a solar panel. Then I'm gonna use a lithium-ion battery holder and a battery too, and a rocker switch. That's all the thing that you're gonna be using in this project. So the first thing that we are gonna do is we are gonna solder the LDR, one leg of the LDR and one leg of the resistors together. Now I'm gonna do the same to the other resistor. As you can see, I have soldered both of the resistors to the both of the LDRs. Now you have to remember that we're gonna connect the positive side of the battery to the resistors. Take two wires. I'm gonna connect both of the resistors together. Connect both of these LDRs together. Now as you can see, I have soldered both of them together. Now where we're gonna take the signals from are these. You have to solder two wires before the resistors, as you can see over here and here. As you guys can see, I have done that. As you can see, I have extended the wires. I only extended the wires of the signal wires of the servo. Now let's get to the main part of the video, connections. As you can see, this is the circuit diagram. So as per the circuit diagram, I'm gonna connect the wires to the Arduino UNO. We just have to connect both of the LDRs out to analog 0 and analog 1. If the movement of the motor is inverted, you just have to interchange the connections. Then I'm gonna connect the signal wire from the servo to digital pin 4. That's basically it. Now you just have to take one wire from here and one wire from here. This is the positive and this is the negative. You just have to connect that. We have to just connect the positive from the servo and the resistors to 5-volt pin, and also the ground from the LDR and the servo to ground.
1 hour later, 2 hours later.
As you can see, I'm not connected all of the connections together because it would be easier and more reasonable to do it after I made the body. So let's get into let's see how I will make the body.
One hour later, 2 hours later.
These are all the parts that we need to create the solar tracker. This is the base plate, as you can see. You can create this out of cardboard, and if you have a 3D printer and you're gonna 3D print this, I also have every single STL file of these in the description. First, we have the base plate. This is absolutely optional. I just created these because I could do so. Then we have the thing that supports the solar panel and the servos and the LDR. Then we have the 3D printer part which holds the solar panel together and the LDRs. I only made this big because I only had the size like the solar panel of this much size. So if you want, you can like customize and you could create, or you could just use one single solar panel. And these are the base where the LDR slots, and this is the rod that holds over here and connects to the servo, and this is the piece that makes the rod hold right over here, and you could connect that to servo. And this is absolutely optional. I just made that so you guys could know that I made it just for the channel. As you can see, we built it ourselves, so that's absolutely optional. Now let's get to assembly. First of all, let me stick both of these together. So let me just do that real quick. So I am going to use hot glue stick, as you guys can see. I will not be using that much. Okay. Now let's connect these two parts together. So for that, I will be applying hot glue stick like some. Okay, as you can see. Now connect. We have to eyeball it. There's no other way. So now this is the finished product. As you can see, there is a 2-cell holder instead of one, because the servo wasn't getting enough power, so I had to change it from 3.7 volt to 7.2 volt. So now that's all the changes I did. As you can see, this is the fitting. The code that I used for this project is given in the description.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് അടുത്തോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോവാ ക്യാമറ എടുത്തോട്ട്. 2 1